Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a fairly complicated word problem using a visual tool, number 9. Let's begin. On Monday, Farmer Tom collected 3 times as many eggs as Farmer Jack. On Tuesday, Farmer Tom sold 160 eggs. Farmer Jack then had twice as many eggs as Farmer Tom. How many eggs did Farmer Jack have? So I'm going to circle a keyword to help me to draw the number line. So first I know Tom had 3 times many eggs as Jack. So let's write two person, Tom and Jack. And if this is how many eggs Jack have, Tom will be exactly 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And second, the keyword will be Tom sold 160 eggs. Here, Tom sold 160 eggs. Okay, so this is how much Tom left. Okay, let's take a look at it. Going up, since we know Jack is having twice as many as eggs, so this section must be the same as this. Now, if you look at the graph, Jack is having twice as many as Tom after sold 160 eggs. And also take a look at the graph. We can see that each blue sections actually contains 2 red sections. So we can continue. So this is 1. So we can just fill them up. 2, 3, 4. Just pause here for 1 second. So here it's 160 eggs in total. We have divided them into exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So that means each sections will be equal to 160 divided by 5, which is going to be 32. So I'm just going to put the numbers over there. So now it's very clear to me, Jack will have 32 times 2, which is to 64 eggs. And Tom will have 32 times 6, equal to 192 eggs. So today, I have showed you how to solve a very complicated word problem using number 9. Hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel. See you again.